to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn about one interview questions which will definitely ask by interviewer. So how to find the odd number or even number from the list or from the column. Okay, so this is the problem statement. So in order to understand this, so I have created one table called as number table. Okay, which is of having a one id as a column name and of a type of integer. So I'm going to insert these 11 records into the table with the help of insert into table name values 1. Similarly, I will add for the 2 3 4 5 7 respectively to the 11. Okay, so now if I want to see how the number list looks like, so select start from table name. Okay, so this is my list of number from the table. Let me just pull it up. Okay, so this column is id and these are the values present in the column. Okay, so my problem statement is I need to find out the number which are odd. Okay, so let's see. So select, so we know id, then when so id %2 not equal to 0. Okay, which means I need to find out the number which are odd numbers. Okay, so from where? From the table name. In this case my table name is this. Okay, if I want to add condition, where this is my condition. Okay, so I will have the list of number which are odd number. Okay, I'm sorry, this one. Okay, so you can see my number are the odd number list. So I can frame it by analyzing the column name as a odd number list. If I execute it one more time, then yes, I have a label with odd number list. Okay, so second problem statement we need to find the odd or even number from the list. Okay, so we know how to find the odd number, and yes, of course, if I just remove this exclamation, so id %2 equal to 0. Okay, then it will give me the list of all the even numbers. Okay, so we know how to find the odd and even, but now I need to find out both numbers together. Okay, from the list. So how do I write it? Select, then in those circumstances I have to use case statement. So case when id %2. Okay, so we'll say, let's say we'll go with the even number first. So equal to 0, then it's a even. Okay, it's a even number. Else it's a odd number. So we need to end the case statement. So end as a type of number. Okay, from the our table name. What's the table name? Number table. So let's see. Okay, so here you can see the 1 is an odd number, 2 is an even number, 3 is an odd number, even 4 is an odd number. So respectively you can see the number and its type of number. Okay, so 1 is an odd number, we know, 2 is an even, 4 is an even, 6 is even, like that you can see until the end of the number. Okay, so this way we can find out the with the help of with the help of case statement we are able to list out the number. Okay, whether it is odd number or even number. Actually we labeled it. Okay, but now I have a different requirement, like I need to populate the list of the number in a different column itself. Okay, so how do I do it? So to create such type of output, we need to use the Windows function called as a row number, So I'm going to write one city with city as, okay. So what are the columns I'm going to use? Select id, comma, row number. As we know, we'll be numbering the row over. Now we are going to use this partition by id %2 not equal to or equal to 0. Okay, then it's a order by id as a rn. Okay, fine. Then we'll use the same case statement from here. Okay, so let me just align this here correctly from table name. Okay, so this is my city. If I want to get the result, let me just take the output select star from city. Okay, so here you can see, so this is the id column. Okay, we have seen like 1 3 5 7 9 11, then 2 4 6 8 9. Okay, and the ranking is given for each number. Okay, and at the same time in a different column we have the odd number or the even number mentioned. Okay, this is a rank. Okay, you know how the this will be the row number for each column. Okay, because since we have no partition it by with the even number. Okay, then we have ordered by the id itself. So that's the reason we have this particular thing first. Okay, so now if I want to, but our requirement is different, like I need to populate the list with the odd number and the list with the even number. So how do I do it? So then select max case. Again I need to use case statement where the type of number, okay, type of number equals to even number. Okay, okay, then we need to end with the id. Okay, then I will label this as a list of even numbers, list of so I'll copy this again. Okay, so now I'll use, let me frame it well. So the odd number here, but into the code it, but this will be the list of odd numbers. Okay, from city, group by rn, order by row number. Okay, I will try to execute the statement. Let's see the output. Okay, so now you can see here I am able to populate the list of even number, list of odd number in two separate different column. Okay, that's how you can write the statement. Okay, so all the queries are attached into the description. Okay, you can check and you can try using creating this data set at your laptop. So what I use the Postgres, which is a free, of course. So I'll share one more video about how to install the Postgres on your laptop and start learning. Okay, Thank you. Cheers. Bye.